The gig economy has recently exploded, and with that comes a lot of apps that make you money. Well, in my last 4.5 years as a professional side hustle tester, I've been able to try nearly every money-making app, with my favorite being FTX and Celsius. Just kidding. More seriously, scooter charging apps like Bird or Lime literally pay you to go around and charge the electric scooters you see in any major city. Last year, I tried the side hustle out for myself, but started by following Lucas, who does it full-time, earning up to $700 per day.
So you can profit anywhere between like $400 to $700 a day, just depending on how you go about it.
Now that may sound like a lot, but he's actually scaled up into a 24-hour operation by not only charging scooters himself, but he also rents out some of his warehouse space to other scooter chargers, and in return, he charges a 25% fee. I shadowed one of Lucas's employees, Jonathan, and in a 90-minute session, he collected 19 scooters for $135 in revenue. In an average day, Jonathan collects about 60 scooters for $420, and after Lucas's cut, he's left with $315. That sounded pretty insane, so I decided to try out scooter charging myself, earning $195.50 in 7 hours. And after the 25% cut for using the warehouse space and the cost of the U-Haul, I was left with $116.32 or $16.62 per hour. Also, the manual labor wasn't really my vibe.
Mark and I have come to the conclusion you can make good money with this, but the manual labor is not worth it.
I'd rather be a TikToker.
So I tried renting cars out on Turo, which I've been doing for over a year now. I've made countless videos documenting my Turo journey, but to break it down simply, an $11,000 car will generate about $1,350 in revenue. Subtract $100 for insurance, $8 a month for the GPS subscription, $18.99 for the car wash membership, $137.50 for depreciation, maintenance, and of course Turo fees. You're left with about $718.50 net, or an ROI of roughly 15 months. But you have to remember, Turo is in no way passive income. A lot of times, at least in my experience, a lot of your revenue will come from 1 and 2 day trips, so you're in your cars cleaning a lot if you want to be a Turo host. In an average week, I spend about 7 hours managing my 2 cars, and with that, I earn about $1,500 per month in cash flow. To make Turo fully passive, you can also work with a Turo management company for a standard fee of 30% of revenue. That would, however, bring your cash flow down to $313.50 a month, or about a 35-month ROI. It's taken me a lot of trial and error to perfect those numbers, both being a Turo host myself and owning a management company, but we're gonna go ahead and put Turo as an A-list side hustle right above charging scooters. These next 2 side hustle apps are Rover, where you get paid to walk or babysit pets, or driving for Uber. I personally haven't been able to try either of these apps yet, but not by choice. I got denied from both Uber and Lyft for an imperfect driving record when all I've done is pass a school bus with the stop sign out 1 time, and I also got a speeding ticket like last week. So if you guys have anything on your driving record whatsoever, I'm sorry to say this, but your dreams of being an Uber driver are probably over. My Rover and Wag applications have been pending for months, but luckily I found a few people on the app who've successfully been able to use it to make money.
This is the easiest way to make an extra $500 per month. Rover connects you with people in your area to take care of their pets. We watched Stella for 1 weekend and got paid $120. You can easily make $500 per month.
Wag and Rover are definitely more of side gigs, but if you guys love pets, especially dogs, then this could be a great way for you to make like $500 a month on the side. Just exploring Wag, it seems like you're gonna earn about $15 for a drop-in visit, $15 per walk, and you could even house sit for someone earning $39, or board a dog, meaning it comes to your house, earning $59 a night. There's also this app called Trusted House Sitters, where you house sit for pets and in return get a free place to stay. This is great if you're on vacation and want to save money on a hotel, and I even know a few people who've tried the app with good experiences. Yo, what's up, dude? I'm filming a video right now. How was your Trusted House Sitters experience?
The first one was great because we were in Denver in a sweet apartment, a lot of good amenities. The second place was like a straight up hoarder's house. I would say if you're gonna do Trusted House Sitters, just FaceTime the owner to know what the hell you're getting into.
All the people that I've stayed with have been like super nice and normal. Their dogs have been fine. I haven't really had a bad experience yet, other than like one of the dogs was super hyper.
Apps like this are great, but in the case of all of them, you have a small membership fee to join. With Wag, they have a $39 non-refundable background check fee, and you can also pay an extra $20 to get your account approved sooner, which I went ahead and did when I reapplied today. For Trusted House Sitters, the fee will range between $11 and $22 a month, depending on the plan you choose, and for Rover, they also have a $35 application fee. I literally just applied for all those apps, so a video will be dropping soon that'll be linked up here. But moving on, probably one of the most popular side hustle apps are the ones one's for food or grocery delivery. I've been lucky enough to try both Instacart, DoorDash, Postmates, and more recently, Uber Eats. Here's what I found. On average, you're gonna earn about $20 an hour, not accounting for gas, maintenance on your car, or depreciation. If you drive a relatively inexpensive car like I do, that'll only knock you down a little bit, but I recently did Uber Eats for an 8-hour session, earning $145.78. I spent $27 on gas, and depreciation on my Toyota Corolla probably isn't too much, bringing me to about $15 an hour. So overall, the food delivery apps have a low barrier to entry, but it isn't going to make you significantly richer than any normal job. But one app that I think has a lot of potential, especially in the realm of investing, is Candlestick, the sponsor of today's video. It's basically an AI-powered app that generates stock picks, ratings, and insights on certain stocks. It outperformed the stock market 9 out of 12 times in 2021, and it outperformed again in 2022. When you open the app up, you guys can see it's recommending SVRA, ELP, and KOPN, all pretty cheap stocks, even with one being under $1. And I just put $100 into each of them to see what happens. The AI also adapts its picks to your specific strategy by asking you if you'd like to be recommended more safe stocks that are blue chip and well known, or if you want to be recommended the broad market model, which can be a little bit more risky but higher potential gains, which is what I did. They also have a section where the AI recommends stocks to sell, a list of hot stocks, and they even have an investing challenge where you get to pick 3 stocks to perform the best, and the top performing players get rewarded after 1 week. Overall, it's a super fun app. I highly recommend it. It's only $9.99 a month, but if you guys click the top link down below in the description, you get started with the 7-day free trial. So at least download the app, give it a try, and now let's move on to the next app that could make you money. TikTok. I've been able to make thousands of dollars through 3 lucrative methods that might surprise you, with the first one being affiliate marketing. And a great example of this was late last year when Andrew Tate clips were popping up all over the place.
When you're young, go out there and get stressed, get upset. You're not going to be here like all 4 of us are, rolling around Europe in supercars. I think that you're not going to have any kind of stress or problems.
His polarizing persona, coupled with the financial incentive to promote his Hustlers University course, allowed accounts of him on TikTok to grow to hundreds of thousands of followers, with teenagers making 6 figures.
I'm 13, got my first 10 grand payment from HU. Yeah. Do you have 4 hours a day to copy paste? Because if so, you will guaranteed make money. Yeah.
But you don't have to promote something like an Andrew Tate course to make a bunch of money affiliate marketing. I just posted a few videos on a brand new TikTok page promoting the Shopify affiliate, and I bought 1,000 followers to be able to put that affiliate link in my bio. The account has now dipped under 1,000 followers since the followers are all bots, but hey, I still got my link in bio, and that's all that matters. Shopify is one of my favorite affiliates to promote because for just $1, the user gets 3 months free of Shopify, and after that 90 days is up and they pay the first $39 fee, you get a $150 payout. That's why you see people like this.
We're giving away 8 of our pre-built Shopify stores away.
Essentially giving away Shopify stores for free. They profit $150 on the back end by using their affiliate to create the store. Or you see people giving away Shopify courses for free, except you have to use their affiliate link to get access to it, profiting them $150 on the back end. The best way to sell successfully is to offer and deliver on a service so good that no one can say no, and that's why this works so well. The other more obvious ways that people make money through TikTok is through the creator fund. It's not great, but I've heard people making up to $3,000 a month on a page with 800,000 followers, and I've personally earned a little over $2,000 from it. We're not gonna get too much into that, but speaking of the Shopify affiliate, it's now been 24 hours since I dropped those 3 TikTok videos, and they reached several thousand views total. And as you guys can see, it's way more now. We got 6 signups on my affiliate link from those videos. If just 1 out of 6 people convert, which is very likely, that'll be $150 for making 3 TikTok videos. And if I did this every day, you guys can see how that would add up. It's been a while since we tiered the side hustles. I've kind of just been talking, but we are going to put WAG along with Rover in B tier since they're more of fun side hustles, not too much profit. Uber or Lyft driving will also go in B tier. TikTok is A tier just because there's so much opportunity with it. And then I'm gonna put the Trusted House Sitters app, although I love it, in C tier. It's a cool app, but you don't actually make money with it. It's more of a way to save money. And next, with the food delivery apps, I'm also gonna put them in C tier because at least in my experience, they're very, very boring to do. I've called it an NPC job in the past, and it also isn't nearly as fun as charging scooters or walking dogs, and the pay is also a little bit less. The remaining apps down here are apps I've never heard of until I became a professional side hustle tester. Starting with Sweatcoin, an app that pays you to walk, or freecash.com, an app that pays you to do online surveys. There are even apps like Fiverr or Upwork where you can sell your services as a freelancer, like video editing, doing voiceovers, or dancing and singing in a funny costume.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down.
alone.
I'm gonna put Sweatcoin way at the bottom since I spent hours walking for this app earning only a few dollars, and this YouTuber Ryan Scribner did the math and determined that if you walk 6 to 10 miles every single day, it'll take you 3 years to hit $1,000. Freeskins is a website you guys have seen me use in the past with videos such as doing online surveys for 8 hours straight or even for an entire week. It's definitely one of the better survey apps I've used with total earnings of 1.4 million coins or $1,445. My hack on Freeskins was to go to the offer wall, sign up for a bunch of free trials, and cancel them before I get charged, keeping the coins that Freeskins pays out as profit. So let's go ahead and put Freeskins in the D tier, not because it's bad, but because it's online surveys. Come on now. Upwork along with Fiverr will go in B tier, completing the chart. And with that being said, drop a like if you enjoyed this one. Check out the sponsor Candlestick at the top link down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.